Quite a bit of a lengthy break, so I wonder how many of you still remember what the statement of the motion. Can anyone just remind us what we're going to debate about? Ceci? Or Ethan?
The House regrets the rise of popularity for weight loss drugs like Ozempic.
Okay, so now let me just rewrite it up here. The House regrets. Actually, I made it wrong to begin with, but it should be the House regrets the rising popularity of weight loss drugs. Now, I think it sounds a little bit technical in the sense that, well, we're directly referring to a particular drug, but I think that we can still come up with some arguments against and for this particular motion. Now, I have today, before I came over here, I have uploaded and revised the original document that I shared with you on the album. I don't think that anyone would have the chance to look at it. But basically, I am reorganizing the arguments in terms of what the side proposition, the affirmative side may want to say, what you can then do the rebuttal, and then come up with your own points. But before I go into that, just want to kind of check on everyone, see whether you still remember some of the main arguments that we have. By the way, do you want me to conduct this in English? Because I think last time you struggled a little bit and you wanted me to speak in Cantonese instead. So it's entirely up to you what you would like me to do. But in anyhow, I would like to hear some of your summary arguments of those points relating to the affirmative side and also to yourself as the opposition side. Daniel, remember anything?
Already.
Completely gone?
Because I didn't come last time.
All right. Who actually attended last time? Right. Do you remember anything? Now, what will be the main arguments for regretting the rising popularity? So why do we think that it would be such a problem for this weight loss drugs? For the sake of some of you who just joined us, this particular drug, Ozempic, has been developed to combat diabetes. But then somehow, several years ago, the drug company realized that there is an alternative use for it, that is to control cholesterol level, control the blood sugar levels, and also improving blood pressure. As a result, it will be able to help people to reduce their weight. In other words, originally this is for diabetes, but then we found the active ingredient in it which will be able to use an alternative medication to combat weight loss, to reduce people, especially those who have a problem of obesity, extremely large figure that they couldn't really reduce their weight. So what is really the arguments behind this particular motion? Now first, is it an effective drug? In other words, do we have any other means to basically combat the obesity, the weight loss problem, rather than using something which is primarily designed for a completely different illness? So this is the first thing that perhaps what we need to understand. The second thing is, what is the cause for implementing this particular medication, is it widely accessible to everyone? And the research has told us that basically for each dose of this Ozempic or the active ingredient of it, we are talking about several hundred to almost more than $1,000 per month. So in other words, it is not a cheap drug that it will be available for everyone. So we need to consider that. So there may be an economic reason and also an ethical kind of consideration. Would there be only the chance that the rich people can actually access to this drug even though it is effective? But then if I don't really have money, then I will not be able to get access to the drug. And the other main argument about it, or around this particular motion, is the side effects. Would it be causing other problems than the issue that we want to address in the first place? So I would say that between both the opposition and also the affirmative sides, these are the few battlegrounds where the two teams are likely to come up with some arguments about it. Okay. Now, what I appreciate that you have not had a chance to look at what I have just prepared. So let me just write down something around here. Hopefully it will be able to provoke everyone's a little bit of the thought. The side proposition may want to give a brief history. So let me just erase some of the stuff that I have written here to leave a little bit more room for the sake of recording so that the senior teams can see. The side proposition referring to the affirmative side. So as far as the first speaker is concerned, I believe that they will give a brief history about why on earth this particular drug will suddenly become popular and it becomes part of the process of compacting the weight loss situation. Then it will start pointing out some of the things that we have just talked about. The first argument could well be it is effective. There is documented evidence to show that those people who have taken this Ozempic or the equivalent active ingredient could actually lose weight within a very short space of time. However, even though it is effective, but we do not know both the long-term and the short-term side effect. At the moment, this will be quite an unknown to all of us, so it seems like taking this drug can actually be very risky without concerning about the much longer term health issue. Now, so if the affirmative side is going to argue like this, what can we say as part of a rebuttal? So if people are telling you that, well, if you take this drug, yeah, you might be able to deal with the immediate effect of losing weight and thereby reducing your obesity, but it may create another long-term problem that we do not even know what it may be. How would you rebuke such a point? For those of you, you can participate as well if you like. They are not disputing the effectiveness of the drug. They are just saying that the future is unknown. There could be some side effects that we are not aware of. What we can say is that
Can I speak Cantonese？
yes.
即係咪對面係講話well 呢啲可以即係好似 weight loss drugs 呢啲有得用，但係我哋係反對，即係我哋係贊同定反對。
You are opposition side. So your opposition side is that there is no regret.
哦，OK。
In other words, we support the rising popularity of this drug. Okay.
即係我哋係反對呢一樣嘢。
你係反對呢個辯題。
哦，OK。
但係其實你係 support 呢一個 drugs，因為佢好得意。如果當佢嗰個係用 the house regret 咧，佢係將成個 statement 係 negate 咗，所以變咗個正方咧，其實咧就係反對呢個 drugs，但係我哋咧就 support 呢個 drug，我哋係一個反方，所以係好 a little bit confusing about it。OK，so the house regret 嘅意思即係話呢個 rising population。But sorry, rising popularity is actually not a good phenomenon. It's no good for the society, it's no good for patients.
哦，OK。
所以正方係要證明佢係 no good，我哋證明係唔係 no good 啊？
即係證明佢係有用。
我哋要 prove 嘅一樣嘢就係、it's okay for us to have this drug, even though it is very popular, it is still okay. 咁我哋要講點解會係 OK 咧？如果佢哋第一個 point 話 OK 呢個 drug 係有機會可以令到啲病人真係可以 reduce 佢嘅 weight loss， 但係我哋唔知佢個 short term 同埋 long term 嘅 side effects， 即係你食咗之後 食咗之後會唔會有問題咧？咁樣 I can come up with one particular point。If you don't mind, sometimes I will be speaking Cantonese because this is really
They need that help. Yes.
我嘅 rebuttal 咧就係話 ，every single drug 我哋 develop 嘅話，都一定或多或少會有 side effects。你 even 你食 paracetamol， 有啲人都可能對 paracetamol 會人敏感。For example, I can't take aspirin， 阿士不靈。我一路都唔知，係直至到我有一日發覺，我食咗之後嘅話，原來成個眼會腫咗嘅。即係好多人可能會 later on 會 develop 一個 allergy 或者 develop 一個唔係免疫力，就會你會突然間對嗰個藥可能會敏感，或者有個 side effect， 可能之前會冇，所以我都覺得好奇怪，點解我細個時候食咁多阿士不靈我冇事，但係大個咗先會有事。即係話好多人其實個身體改變。都會有 side effect 㗎啦，咁樣。咁所以第一個 point 咧就話，其實 every drug
都有佢哋嘅副作用同埋。
係啦，都會有副作用嘅。咁係咪因為佢有副作用嘅話，我哋就完全唔去 develop 啲 drugs 咧 ？No, we should carry on doing more research, more testing to ensure 嗰啲 side effects can be minimized. 咁嘅時候，我哋就唔應該因為有 unknown 嘅 side effects， 就話俾其他啲人聽，我哋唔好再食呢個 drugs。
即係唔可以講話嗰個 drugs 有 side effects， 就講佢係就講啲人食咗係唔好嘅，呢個係唔 make sense 嘅。
當然，如果佢嗰個 side effects 係好嚴重嘅，咁我哋應該啲藥廠啦，又或者其他嘅national government 去 withdraw 咗呢一個 drug。咁但係 so far 你冇能夠證明佢有任何嘅 short term 或者 long term effects which could be so damaging， 就唔應該因為你未知道有咩嘢發生
就否決咗。
冇錯啦，即係個 point 就係喺呢度，即係你冇理由咁快否決我喎。只不過而家呢個 drug 係嗱，佢一路都用喺一啲有糖尿病嘅人 diabetics 嘅人，但係佢用落喺一個冇呢一個糖尿病嘅，而佢係有呢個weight 嘅 problem 嘅時候，都係比較初步。佢雖然佢做咗好多我哋所謂叫臨床試驗啦，即係可能喺一個 lab 嗰度去做嗰啲 testing， 但係真真正正咁 large scale apply 喺一啲 patients 嘅時候，佢未真係有好多呢啲咁樣嘅證明出嚟。咁既然佢而家咁 popular 嘅，你咪將佢當係一個試驗咯，俾其他啲人去試驗，然後睇一睇佢係咪真係會導致有好多呢啲嘅 side effect， 真係有嘅時候，先至再決定下一步啦。咁唔應該一下子就斬咗佢。OK， 咁相反個 opposition side 咧，就可以喺呢度講呢一句啦。佢第一個 point 可以話，其實我哋已經嘗試過好多次 ，attempts have been made to address obesity。有唔同嘅 weight loss program， 有唔同嘅 medication， 但係呢啲 attempts 全部都係唔得。They are not successful. Finally, we found the active ingredient in Ozempic, which can help addressing this long-standing health issue. 咁點解我哋仲要 feel regrettable about it 咧 ？Finally, we have a game changer. Game changer 嘅意思就係話，你做咗一樣嘢係令到全個世界去改變咗佢嗰個嘅觀感。咁既然我哋知道，同埋亦都有一樣嘢喎，我哋除咗用一個現成嘅藥，發現佢其中一個 active ingredient 係可以幫到你有一個 alternative 嘅 medical use 之外嘅話咧，其實亦都有唔同嘅 drugs 咧，我哋都試過係擺喺其他嘅方面嘅。咁譬如你可以用一個 anti-depression 嘅藥，原來係可以令到一啲人咧，佢哋可以 address 得到佢哋嘅 migraine， 即係一個中文係咩？扁頭症啊，好似叫做，即係唔知有冇聽過？係有啲人咧，突然間個頭痛到咧係好緊要，嗰種嘅頭痛唔係一般嘅頭痛，係佢哋係直情係全個面咧都好似覺得卡住咗嚇咁樣嘅。咁但係佢話食咗呢個 anti-depression 嘅藥咧，就可以有機會可以舒緩到佢。咁即係其實我哋要用另一個藥物去，即係一個本來係 primarily design for 一種嘅一個 medical issue 嘅 drug，for 另外一種嘅 illness 都係好常見嘅。咁既然係咁嘅話，點解要阻止呢一個 drug 去繼續去 develop 同埋係 made available to the public 咧咁樣？咁呢個咧就係可能係即係反方嘅一個 point 啦。嗱，咁如果當反方講咗呢一個話，其實好多嘅 attempts 都已經係 fail 嘅話，而呢一隻新呢一隻 Ozempic 能夠攞到嘅 active ingredient 係令到全個世界係改變咗，可以真真正正有個 realistic chance 去 combat obesity 嘅話，咁我哋應該繼續俾佢實行啦。咁但係 for 正方嘅 rebuttal 咧，佢就可以咁講喎。冇錯，雖然呢一隻藥好有效果，係無可否認，但係你就會俾咗一個 false hope。呢啲真正嘅病患者啦，點樣為之一個 false hope 咧？係當你食住藥嘅時候，你係可以 lose 到 weight。Imagine 如果你一唔食藥嘅話，會點咧？
又肥翻，
有機會肥翻啦。嗱，真真正正點解嗰啲人會咁肥咧？好多時候係因為佢哋嘅 lifestyle 唔好， 佢哋食嘅嘢唔好啦，即係撇開咗佢本身即係有一啲係天生嘅，可能佢 genetically 係食乜嘢嘅話，佢都會過分吸收㗎啦，又唔會釋放到。但係 imagine 大部分嘅可能都係因為佢 lifestyle 嘅問題，食嘅嘢唔健康，又唔肯做運動。但係如果佢因為靠住食藥而係令到佢哋去 reduce 個 weight loss， 佢一唔食又會暴發翻嘅話，即係話其實根本我哋呢個問題係冇改變嘅。From 一個 national point of view， 我叫做 national standpoint 咧嘅意思，即係話 from 一個 government 或者一個 nation point of view， 如果我哋唔能夠 address 得到 obesity in the long run， 唔能夠令到啲人開始去改變佢哋嘅生活習慣嘅話，我哋只會更加多人變成黐肥。佢跟住原來一路都要 rely on 呢一隻藥嘅話，其實嗰個 medical cost 都係會好高嘅。
問題都係解決唔到。
冇錯啦，就 imply 嗰個 medical cost 咧會高咗，同埋真正嘅問題係冇解決啦。咁呢個就係我哋正方嘅一個 point。咁跟住正方可以咧舉佢第二個主要嘅論點，就係當讀完之後咧，越嚟越多人 rely on， 即係個 reliance on 呢個 drug 係越嚟越強嘅話咧，即係代表咧佢個 demand and supply 就會有改變啦。即係供點樣講啊？中文係供求
供應。
呢個係供應啦嚇，呢個係要求。咁而家咧係供不應求，係咪咁講？My Chinese is really bad. So we have more people demanding than what we can actually supply. 咁喺呢個情況底下咧，我哋有一個經濟嘅領域一個 economic theory， 就係當你個 demand 係越嚟越大過個 supply 嘅話，你知唔知會有咩改變啊？嗱，譬如好多人咧中意買呢個 iPad 嘅，蘋果出唔切呢個唔知係咪唔係 Apple 唔知啊，總之 can't really
供不應求。
係啦，咁嗰個物價會點咧？
高咗好多。
冇錯啦，當嗰個 demand 係大過個 supply 嘅時候，個
Selling price
就會一
increase。
路高嘅。咁即係話，其實你係令到一般嘅人更加能 afford 得到呢一個，
更加買唔起。
更加買唔起。佢本身已經貴，跟住更加買唔起。如果你話要make it more common for everyone to have the equal access 嘅話，個 national government 佢哋嗰個 health system 就會越嚟越 bear 到更加重嘅 cost。咁所以呢個唔係一個 good point 喺度。
即係我哋係要講呢個嘢嘅唔好啊。
我都要講佢好啊。
好。
我而家兩邊我都 present 佢 argument， 係因為 senior team 咧就會講呢一邊嘅，你哋咧就係講緊呢一邊啦。OK。
即係我哋係支持呢一樣嘢，但係我哋講反方可能會講嘅嘢。
係啦，我哋係支持呢個 drug， 我哋其實係代表反方，所以好奇怪嘅。通常都係你支持一個論點嘅話咧係正方，但係因為咧佢唔知點解今次 round one round two 咧，即係都用咗呢個開頭，叫做就係 house regret。咁點解你會 regret 一樣嘢咧？就係因為呢一樣嘢係 doing more harm than good， 咁你先至會覺得 I'm so regretting that this is happening。咁如果你係覺得呢一個 rising popularity of 呢個 drug 係冇問題嘅話，你唔需要 regret 㗎。咁所以佢正方嘅意思就係話 ，this rising popularity of this weight loss drugs no good to the society。That's why we are regretting。 但係我哋做反方咧，就啱啱調翻轉頭講，no problem with the rising popularity of this drug. It is actually doing more good than harm to our society, so no need to regret. 即係你唔需要覺得慚愧，亦都唔覺得需要 blame 任何嘅人。make 唔 make sense 啊？因為佢有少少即係我哋要做一個 double negative 嘅變化，即係
有啲亂。
係啊係啊，因為我都覺得佢今次呢兩個 rounds 都用呢一個開頭嘅 house regrets 咧係
因為上次睇嗰個主題都係咁樣調轉又調轉。
係啦嗱，所以其實咧你當唔好理佢呢一度，你而家正係話好似當你自己一個正方去講話 is good for the rising popularity of 呢個 job， 你用咁嘅思維去諗咧，你就會諗到你跟住做反方應該要講嘅嘢。
對面就係 is bad。
係啦。咁但係咧，因為佢哋正方，佢哋要 prove 嘅嘢咧係多過我哋要 prove 嘅。只要我哋能夠證明得到唔係咁差啫，
都有好
咁
嘅。
我哋已經好過佢，因為佢要講到咧係呢一個 rising popularity 係好差好差，從而你先至會有一種好內疚一個 regret 嘅感覺。所以佢哋要證明嘅嘢咧就係樣樣嘢都唔好。咁所以只要佢話唔好嘅嘢，即係關於呢個 drug 係唔好嘅嘢，我哋只要能夠提出到一啲反駁嘅argument， 譬如佢話係好 effective， 但係好多 side effects 喎。
但係你如果唔嘗試，你又點？
係啦，其實乜嘢 drugs 都有 side effect 㗎啦。Yes. 我哋其實都未必知道好多 long-lasting 或者已經用咗好耐嘅 drugs， 可能佢嗰個 side effect 有啲我哋都未必知道晒㗎。咁係咪話因為佢有 side effect， 或者我哋唔知道佢嘅 side effect， 我哋就一腳斬晒佢咧？當然唔係啦。同埋呢一個係一個 game changer， 佢係令到既然咁耐以嚟已經耗資咗好多嘅費用去做呢啲 weight loss 嘅 programs， 我哋都唔能夠真真正正 deal with 到即係一個類似美國嘅人口嘅obesity。我啱啱睇到個 report 係最近已經升到大概係有40%嘅美國人咧係 being classified as obese， 咁好嚴重喎！如果你每一個人唔係淨係你個重量或者你食幾多嘢喎，而係你一個人太重嘅時候，你有好多其他嘅問題，你可能會有heart attack 啦，你可能會容易 develop 呢一個糖尿病啊，或者其他呢啲唔同嘅 illness， 呢啲嘢都係會消耗緊國家嘅一啲 financial or medical resources。既然我哋能夠揾到個方法可以控制或者 reduce 呢一啲咁樣嘅 obesity cases， 點解我哋要斬走佢咧？點解我哋覺得佢唔好咧？咁所以呢一個係即係可以一個 good point。咁係
OK。
咁但係如果正方話，喂，但係雖然呢啲嘢係好成功，的而且確可以令到一啲人可以減到肥，但係你俾咗個 false hope 佢哋，你就會令到佢哋咧呢一世都 rely on 呢一個 drug， 跟住佢哋就唔會去改變佢哋嘅 lifestyle， 去 address the root of the problem， 因為嗰個 root of the problem 嗰個根源咧，唔係在於係咪你突然間減到肥，而係你整個人嘅 lifestyle。如果你呢個 lifestyle 係冇變嘅話，跟住 generation after generation 嘅人都會繼續做翻同樣嘅嘢，咁佢嗰個 obesity 嗰個嘅 rate 咧就會越嚟越高。咁即係話你要更加多呢一種咁嘅藥咧，先至能夠可以 serve 到嗰班人。咁即係話令到個 demand 越嚟越大，咁就會有一個
price 就會上升。
係啦，咁你 price 上升咗嘅話咧，咁會有咩兩樣嘢咧？就係、如果你係一個 private patient 嘅，
負擔太重。
係啦，如果你係 private 嘅，你嗰個 private bill 就會好高。如果唔係嘅話咧，如果呢一隻藥本身係政府可以出嘅話咧，咁就變咗你嗰個 national health 個 system 嘅 cost 就越嚟越大啦。咁兩樣嘢都有個 economic 嘅 impact 喺度，就係令到你雖然好似話喺呢度 save 咗啲錢，但係其實你呢一度又增翻大鑊，你根本冇改變到個問題。In the long run, obesity still exists。
甚至仲 enhance 嗰個情況。
係啦，係啦。咁如果佢哋真係用一個咁嘅 point 嘅時候，咁我哋又會點可以答佢咧？
兩樣嘢根本唔 make sense，即冇關係。主要係個 lifestyle 同埋，即係你係因為嗰個個人問題，所以你先食 drug 㗎嘛。咁但係即佢個 lifestyle 係同嗰個 drug 其實係冇乜關係。
嗱，我就會咁樣講，係如果你能夠可以改變得到人嘅 lifestyle， 其實你就可以唔需要再俾任何嘅 medication， 佢哋應該可以自己 regulate 到佢哋個 weight issue， 從而係令到呢個 health issue 會即係 go away 啦咁樣。咁但係如果呢樣嘢係咁容易成功嘅話，咁根本我哋就唔需要去講咁多嘢啦。個問題就係因為一般人嘅 willpower 咧都好脆弱。我哋試過做好多呢啲 weight loss 嘅 program， 但係佢哋都冇恒心，都係做唔到。咁即係話，我哋唔係俾一個 force 佢哋，而係真係一個 realistic 嘅一個方法係可以幫到佢哋去控制佢哋嘅 weight loss， 而唔係單話 give them such a force。咁既然佢哋個 willpower 咁弱嘅時候，咁我哋就唯有要用呢一種咁樣嘅方法啦。所以 the rising popularity of Ozempic is not in itself a problem。我哋既然一般嘅人都做唔到，我哋希望佢哋做嗰種咁嘅 program 去lose weight 嘅話，我哋就唯有要用呢一隻藥去幫佢哋手。而最重要嘅就係我哋一定要 introduce proper 嘅 regulations， 去 ensure 咧呢啲嘅 drugs 係會 being developed in a normal way， 會即係去 monitor 得到佢之後嘅種種嘅 effects， 而唔應該係因為個 drug 變得太過 popular， 或者變得太 costly 而去ignore 咗佢個真正對 society 嘅 contribution。咁我覺得嚟去都係呢幾個重點嘅。我曾經上次都講過啦，你哋其實真係冇乜好多嘅時間去講好多嘅嘢嘅。三個變源，正方佢講一個論點，佢冇得駁啦，可能佢會講多少少。跟住到反方嘅第一個 speakers 咧，應該就會針對對方講嘅嘢咧，採取一啲 rebuttals， 然後跟住咧引落去自己嘅 point 嗰度。咁我會覺得第一個 speakers 咧，好有機會咧有好多嘅 rebuttal 去做啦，跟住可能帶出嚟嘅就係 one of these points 都未嘅，即係呢三個 point 裏面可能係講咗一個，跟住對方嘅 second speaker 亦都會做出一啲嘅反駁，加佢哋自己嘅重點，跟住我哋嘅 second speaker on the opposition side 咧就會做一啲嘅反駁。同埋加埋最尾呢兩個 points， 咁我覺得主要都係大概3至4個 points 咧，咁個反方就已經講晒㗎啦。The final speaker is trying to summarize the arguments between the two sides and carry out what we call a clash analysis. Conclusion， 但個 conclusion 咧係要好 focus 落去，究竟兩個隊伍究竟佢哋今日喺度 argue 緊啲咩咧咁樣？咁佢唔係話要你逐個 point， 佢個 adjudicator 係好希望咧，你能夠 summarize 得到嗰個 key focus or the key points that the two teams are actually debating upon。譬如，如果大家都冇否認到呢個 drug 係 effective 嘅，咁我哋個 summary 其實我哋唔需要點樣去睇呢樣嘢，反而咧可能個 main battleground 咧就係、究竟一個 uncertain side effect 係唔係導致我哋應該係去 completely eliminate the trial or the use of this particular weight loss drug？ 如果唔係咁 risky 嘅，我哋係咪應該俾佢一個機會去 develop 咧？跟住佢哋可能話係好 costly 嘅一個藥，唔係個個人都能夠負擔得到。咁我哋嘅 point 就係話，如果佢本身呢個藥係有效嘅，現今階段係貴，但係唔代表佢 in the future 會平噶嘛。如果我哋能夠去encourage 嗰啲藥廠唔好做咁多 monopoly 嘅 action， 最後可能會即係 introduce 到呢個藥嘅話係會平好多，從而就令到呢隻藥係 much more affordable。咁如果佢哋話，咦咁但係會唔會有好多人會濫用咗呢隻藥咧？譬如佢哋會覺得只要我個 private doctor 肯 prescribe 俾我食咗我就可以 keep 我個 weight 啦。咁即使我唔係一個真正係 diagnose 有obesity 嘅，我都可以即係當我哋上次都講啦，好似一啲 model 咁，佢哋好想食呢個藥去嚟 keep fit 嘅 keep slim 咁樣。咁呢樣嘢咧，我哋就要關乎個 regulation 啦。我哋點可以 ensure 嗰個 medical industry 呢一啲即係 private doctors 佢哋係會有佢哋嗰個 professionalism 同埋佢嗰個 ethical consideration。如果你係冇咁嘅需要嘅，我唔會開呢個藥俾你。但係你真係有需要嘅，我先至開。又或者個政府 take it back to 佢嗰個 public domain 去 regulate 翻呢一隻藥，唔好因為而家 at the moment 咧呢一隻Ozempic 咧係一個 brand name。mainly for diabetes 嘅，但係佢個 active ingredient 咧就已經成為另一個 trademark，which you can basically buy what we call the off-label。off-label 嘅意思咧，即係話其實譬如美國 FDA 佢 approve 咗呢一隻藥咧係 for diabetes， 但係只要個醫生肯開呢隻藥俾你，佢 certify。話你係可以食呢一隻藥係 for weight loss 嘅話咧，咁仍然係可以將呢隻藥賣俾你嘅。雖然美國政府佢冇 approve 到呢一隻藥係 for weight loss， 但係只要 on medical ground 有一個 doctor 係肯去 prescribe 嘅話咧就可以。咁嗱，我會覺得有一個大嘅 loophole 喺度。嗱，既然如果係咁多人開始食呢隻藥，點解個政府唔開始立嚟將呢一隻藥入翻落去佢自己嘅管轄嘅範圍？點解要將呢一個嘅責任拋咗俾啲 private doctors 咧？嗱，呢樣嘢亦都係解唔清嘅喎。嗱，如果嗰隻藥本身係真係做得到有個成效，係可以幫助一個政府去 deal with the problem of obesity， 而家越嚟越多人食啦，即係變咗已經唔係話草一兩個 doctor 去 prescribe 俾一啲 private patient 去買嘅一樣藥，係越嚟越多。既然係咁嘅話，你咪監管佢咯，你將佢納入翻佢自己本身嘅 registered drug， 從而你有一個更加 proper 嘅 process 去令到每一個嘅 medical staff 點樣可以 prescribe 呢隻藥去俾個 targeted patient， 咁咪能夠 solve 到呢啲所謂嘅 demand and supply 同埋 over reliance 或者 over abusing of 呢個 drug 嘅問題啦。
OK。
新嘅朋友，你哋有啲咩嘅感覺咧？有啲咩地方？
次次都係揀呢啲，主要係我英文嚟嘅。因為之前喺中點都係咁樣講，都係講啲觀點嗰啲。其實我覺得我哋可以到時候需唔需要揾啲數據去證明啊？需唔需要？
最好啦。你覺得係邊一方面嘅話咧？嗱，而家即係我哋可以 focus 下按我哋自己嘅即係呢一方啦。咁我哋而家係要 support 呢個 drug。咁你覺得有啲咩嘅數據我哋可以喺呢度揾咧？因為其實我揾啲，但我唔係揾咗好多，但我都想睇下你哋如果 from 你哋嘅 point of view 有啲咩嘅 research， 你哋會覺得可以做得到？
我覺得可以揾一揾就係關於嗰個因為講緊第二樣嘢就係會俾咗嗰啲用嘅人有一個 false hope 啊嘛，咁之後我哋反駁翻佢係因為嗰啲人嘅 will power 好差，咁我覺得可以揾一揾關於嗰啲即嗰啲 will power 嗰啲人嘅嗰啲 percentage 有幾多啊？有幾多人？有 will power 嗰啲人做嗰啲數據真係肯去做運動啊 ？Yes。
咁我俾少少嘅pointers，你哋可以試下嘗試 Google 啊，揾 AI 咩都好啦嚇。咁呢個就係 for 你哋嘅little research 啦。你哋可以試一試咧 Google 下，或者用 AI 揾下究竟 the main reasons for failure in previous weight loss program。咁佢好多時都會 cite 咧就係 the lack of willpower 啊，或者其他嘅嘢。咁你睇下佢有冇一啲嘅數據咧講話大概係譬如你問一啲 respondents， 佢哋係嘗試過呢啲 weight loss 嘅 program， 跟住問佢哋有啲咩覺得佢哋點解會覺得係唔 work 咧呢啲 program， 咁可能佢哋自己都會講話啊，原來有幾多個 percentage 嘅人或者幾多個 percentage 嘅 respondents 都覺得佢哋 lack of willpower，so as a result they wouldn't be able to follow through these programs。咁你試下從呢個角度去揾，睇會唔會揾到一啲 interesting 或者 supportive 嘅 evidence。仲有咧？
諗下先。
另外一啲咧，你可以諗一諗佢個 economic impact 啦。而家咧有兩個問題存在喺度。第一個咧就係個 obesity versus the cost of Ozempic。正方可能會話：哇！但係呢隻藥咁貴，如果我哋最後納入咗成為一個即係政府會 approve 嘅 drug， 咁咪要嘥好多錢咯。咁但係如果呢一隻藥用嘅錢能夠令到我哋減低咗個政府嘅開支，去 deal with people or patients with obesity， 咁可能仍然係一個 win-win situation。我做過少少嘅 research， 去 deal with in America 每一年嘅即係 obesity related issue 咧，係差唔多。我好似我冇寫低喺我個 document， 好似差唔多係167個 billion American dollar。It's a staggering amount， 因為佢唔單止淨係嗰啲 weight loss program，佢 有個 direct 嘅 medical course 啦。但係當嗰啲人係太過 obese 嘅時候，原來佢哋有好多嘢都未必做得到嘅，即係可能去返唔到工啦，從而令到個 national productivity 都會低嘅。所以有一個 direct medical course， 有一個 indirect 嘅 course 嚟嘅。個 indirect course 就更加難去估計啦。呢個咧就係 loss in working time 同埋 reduce in productivity。因為啲人做唔到嘢啊，佢可能太肥啦，真係做唔到啦，咁變咗你少咗人喺個社會嗰度做，從而你個 productivity 會減低咗。同埋有一啲人佢本來係做得嘢嘅，但係因為佢突然間變得咁肥，佢可能本日每一日可能咧需要做到8個鐘嘅，但係因為佢太肥啦，佢只係可以做到1至2個鐘喎，even around that， 即係總之 one way or the other，there will be a loss of productivity。咁如果你將呢兩個 course 加埋一齊嘅時候，係咪可以 outweigh 到呢一個 Ozempic 呢個 course 咧？我哋就講過話即係唔知你知唔知啦，其實要打針嘅。佢呢一樣咧就係喺呢個針嗰度咧打入佢身體，每一個月我唔好記得打幾多次啦。let's say 你要用大概800至到1000蚊美金一個月啦，裡面之內咧你可能要打2至3次或者3至4次呢個針，連續打幾個月，然後睇下有冇嗰個 effect。有個 effect 嘅時候，如果你覺得你 manage 得到你嗰個 weight 嘅問題咧，就可以將個 dosage 去減嘅。但又或者咧係可能你之前慢慢打呢個比較輕啲嘅 dosage， 發覺你個身體都接受得到咧，你可能要繼續加落去。我唔好記得 exactly 嗰個 process， 但係我覺得我哋唔需要講得咁清楚。但係只要話其實係好貴。但係佢貴得嚟嘅話，如果能夠 reduce 得到嗰個 major problem of obesity， 我就會令到個政府咧有機會會 save 到好多嘅錢。所以呢啲 save 翻嚟嘅錢咧，平衡咗之餘，可能有個 surplus， 你可以 recycle 或者將呢啲嘅 additional resource 或者 save 到嘅 resources 咧擺翻落去另外一啲嘅 medical problems 嗰度，去 deal with 另外啲嘅 medical problems， 咁就變咗一個 win-win situation。呢啲我哋要做下 research， 睇下可以攞到啲咩 figure， 咁你到做個 rebuttal 嘅時候就會易好多。仲有咩 area 我哋可以做多少少 research？
唔係好知道，不過我覺得對面嘅仲有可能關於 economic impacts 嘅反駁，但係我唔知有啲咩可以講。應該係類似
乜嘢啊？
即係本身係佢嘅 develop 嗰個問題。
仲有其他喎。
The R&D research and development cost， 你可以 Google 下，係一間挪威嘅公司去做呢一隻藥嘅。咁佢哋會唔會喺佢嗰個 annual report 或者任何嘅 publish data 裏面去 mention 究竟佢用咗幾多錢去 develop 呢隻藥？我唔知嚇，但係呢個你可以試下揾，但係揾唔到嘅話都唔會太過，亦對我哋個辯論有太大嘅影響嘅。 仲有乜嘢咧？所以冇乜嘢嘅 insight。
即係話可以講下關於用咗 Ozempic 嘅嗰啲人，佢哋嘅成功率係咪真係可以減到肥？咁相比起之前嘅話，佢哋係冇咗個動力去做運動去減肥，但係食咗個藥就即係減咗嘅話，就更加有動力可以繼續去保持咯。
即係示例咯。
好啊，呢個都好，可以揾下呢一個。個 success rate for using these drugs。但我覺得，我相信咧，正方唔會點樣去同你 dispute 呢一個 effectiveness。佢哋就會講係可以令到佢減到肥，但係個 side effect 好有問題。邊一個能夠攞得到呢啲藥嘅話咧，亦都唔知，可能淨係啲有錢人士得，窮啲嘅就唔得。咁同埋佢正方亦都有一個論點咧，就係、嗱，如果呢一個 drugs 真係呢個 drug 係咁好嘅，咁只要你夠錢，你就可以買到呢個藥，從而令到你嘅身體就苗條化。咁佢其中一個 point 咧就係話會做咗一個 society 嘅一個 stigma。點解你仲咁肥嘅？你冇錢買藥啊？嗱，咁你會 create 咗一個咧一個 discrimination 啊，一個 society 嘅 stigma， 即係話哇，如果你一肥嘅咧，即係你代表係你冇錢嘅，咁你從而可能會俾人哋睇笑咁樣。咁呢個有咁嘅機會嘅喎，即係如果我哋係會覺得每個人咧都可以用呢隻藥可以令到佢減到肥嘅。咁個問題就係而家我哋唔係想個個人都食呢隻藥去苗條，我哋唔係咁嘅意思。我哋係想呢一隻藥真正去幫到嗰啲有需要嘅人，嗰啲真係特別肥胖嘅人，唔係話我食咗之後嘅話咧，我 lose 翻10磅嘅話咧，我又好可以着到呢件靚衫啊！即係佢唔係咁樣。咁所以而家嘅問題就係話係可能有一部分嘅人係 abuse 咗呢一隻 drug 本身 introduce 出嚟嘅原意，但係 because more and more people are finding it useful， 我哋就更加係要將佢納入翻落個 national regulation 嗰度，係從而令到呢隻 drug 咧唔會俾人去 abuse。咁我哋就會咬得到啦。大家清唔清楚你哋要變啲乜嘢？OK， 嗱，正話 Ian 同我講咧，應該你哋嘅辯論嗰日咧就係好似係 21st of November。
21st。唔係啊嘛？咩？我哋 public speaking 幾好？
日
期未講咩
？Junior team 你哋下一場咧係對保良局
幾多號？
張福善 College， 我諗係冇嘅 Chinese name。但係 it's a Friday on the 21st of November。OK。啱啱我哋5個或者咁多個啦，邊一個係會 available on the 21st？
21st 星期唔清楚，我唔清楚星期5會唔會有啲咩嘢要做，我可以睇下先。係喎 debate team 係咪有個 group 㗎？debate team 有冇 group 㗎
？debate team 有冇咩話
？WhatsApp group
有㗎，你唔係加咗喺我哋個 WhatsApp group 度嘅咩？係啊，因為呢個係 send 咗個 debating team 係 Mr. Leo send 出去嘅噃。OK， 咁我叫Mr. Leo make sure 係即係你哋個個都會加咗佢呢一度啦。嗱，咁如果我暫時嚟講嘅話咧，我有Ethan 同埋 Jessie， 你哋 available， 你哋三個唔 sure 你 OK， 但係你有幾 confident OK？ 你 can 唔 catch up 到我哋今日講嘅 argument 先？唔好 catch up 得到。嗱，我不如咁啦，我暫時擺你做 reserve 先 ，OK？ 因為你哋都 attend 咗幾次咧，所以其實都聽得呢個辯題多啲。我希望可以喺你哋兩個之中咧揾到即係最後嗰個 debater 出嚟，好唔好？嗱，咁 in terms of 即係邊個做邊一個 position 咧？你唔知你哋有冇諗過咧？即係 who would like to be the first, second or the third speaker？ 你 prefer 做第二個 speaker？OK？
係咪2同3係一就係講
1、2、3咧做反方咧都要有 rebuttal 嘅。如果你係正方嘅 first speaker 咧就冇 rebuttal， 因為你係 the very first one to say something about the debate 嚇。如果到當你哋抽到係正方嘅時候咧，咁你就可以有揀啦。你揀第一個咧就唔使做辯駁嘅，但係如果係反方嘅咧就3個都要㗎啦。OK。
我仲以為 Mr. Leo 之前講話第一個唔需要辯，
我
係之前
我哋都寫成個
係啊，因為反方就3個咧都要嘅。
我唔識拗嘅喎，我拗過喎。
要有時咧要嘢講，依家聽人哋講咩？
我唔識拗。
Jessie， 你會唔會有興趣做到第3個 speaker 咧？因為第3個咧就係要將所有嘅 arguments 去 summarize into 個 clash analysis。OK， 咁我而家就爭我哋個 opening speaker 啦，爭個 first speaker。Zoe 得唔得？
今日幾多號？
今
日
日係12，即係我哋仲有9日。
9日
應該可以嘅。
嗱，不如咁樣啦，我今次我預你哋3個，好冇？咁你哋暫時2個咧就 stand by 先。嗱，我點解我想咁快揾到3個出嚟咧？就好想你哋開始真係寫你哋嘅諗出嚟啦，因為你寫咗之後咧，我先有得改，我先可以睇得到咧有啲乜嘢嘅問題。同埋Ian 咧預備咗呢啲食物啊，你快啲拆出嚟俾各位食啊！嗱，如果唔係嘅話咧，咪嘥咗佢嘅好。嗱，如果係咁嘅話咧，Zoe 你就會嘗試去諗一諗 preempt 下正方會大概會講啲乜嘢，跟住去作出你嘅開頭一啲嘅 rebuttals， 同埋點樣去引入你自己個 team 要講嘅嘢。OK， 喺你個 initial speech 裏面嘅話咧，你需要話俾其他啲人聽咧，你會講啲乜嘢啦？你個 second speaker 講乜嘢啦？同埋個 third speaker 係會即係 conclude with 個 clash analysis。呢個 formality 嘅 structure 你一定要咁樣做㗎啦。咁我會覺得你可以大概預備1分鐘至到1分半鐘嘅 rebuttal 啦，如果可以嘅話，因為其實佢哋嘅 points 都係嚟都嗰幾個嘅，咁你就預備越多越好。講唔晒唔緊要，可以將你嗰啲 points 咧去 share with Ian， 咁佢亦都可以有機會講。Jessie， 你嗰篇 speech 咧就比較麻煩啲，因為好多時要睇住佢哋2個講緊啲乜嘢。但係我哋暫時嚟講咧，我哋都知道我哋有幾個 key points 㗎啦。呢幾個 key points， 如果你睇下我 upload 到嗰個 document 嘅話咧，it will give you some suggestion。咁你就嘗試 preempt 你要 summarize 嘅 argument 係乜嘢？你嘗試去寫一篇嘢俾我啦。呢個咧係個 TV program 嚟嘅。呢個如果你有得睇嘅話，你可以睇 如果唔係咧，喺個 share drive 嗰度咧，你有冇 access to 我哋個 share drive？咁我要同Ian 講一講咧，點樣將你哋 add 落去個 share drive？
唔知。
OK。